Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So we are looking at the Nifty's daily charts. Let's get into the video by looking into its price action without any indicators and nothing. We'll just look at the price action, what it does and how the price action is giving us a clear indication. So today what we have got is we have got a very good bullish candle, but it is not a bullish engulfing because the market opened in the gap down and then it picked up and gave a green closure. So we can't say this is going to be a bullish engulfing. So that is the price action on daily, and we will go to the 1 hour chart and the 15 minutes chart and see what has happened from yesterday's explanation. So let's see like whether the yesterday's explanation which I have given has worked today or not. We will see. So we are not using any big technique, we are just using the price action which is simple and clean, which is going to be the king of technicals. So we'll see. This is the yesterday's chart. This is what I have told yesterday. If you can rewind the video or have a recap on yesterday's video, this is what I have shown and I haven't changed anything on the chart. We'll go to 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart or even 15-minute chart, I have told the same thing. So when the market touches this line, which is going to be 16,226 or 16,230, we can go and buy 16,200 C call option. So that is what has happened today, and I have given an explanation saying the market is in a falling wedge, and I have shown like what is going to be a falling wedge, and the market had a good falling wedge, and I told like it will be a 80-20, that is 80% it can break in the upside and 20% it can break in the downside. So that was the explanation given yesterday. So we will go to 15 minutes chart and see. So this is what I have shown yesterday. So yesterday's chart was like we were very close to the falling wedge, that is here. Yeah, let us join that. Yeah, so market exactly fell down towards the bottom of the falling wedge and it started moving up. It started moving up and it closed. It break the first target and it is very closer to our second target. So our target is going to be very huge. So this is going to be our next target. So this target will be done within maybe like even in the gap up it can be done. So we need not consider this as a big target. We look for this target which is going to be 16,630. If this is taken out, then that is a good level which we have to watch, which is going to be this one. So 16,690, which can face a resistance because there was a double top earlier. So definitely that point can act as a good resistance for the current swing. So the falling wedge has reacted perfectly as we predicted yesterday, and it has given a good target. So what we can expect is if we are getting gap up open, then definitely we look for some sort of good bounce, and again there can be a retest, and if the retest is sustaining above 16,500, then the first target is going to be 16,613 and 16,690. That will be the targets, and that is where the falling wedge patterns target will also meet. Okay, so that is all about the price action of Nifty for today. So tomorrow we can expect these levels, and this view will get invalid only when this level is getting broken. So for now we can say like 16,333, which is going to be the higher low. This is low, high, higher low, higher high. So if this is higher, this higher low is getting broken, and if it is falling down, then the pattern becomes invalid. But right now already the falling wedge has broken exactly what as we predicted, and it has to go up. It has started moving up, and these are going to be the targets: 16,507, 16,613, 16,693. So these are going to be the targets for tomorrow. So let's not look at the open interest as just the week has started. Even if you want to have a look, today we got a very good strong bearish moment just because of this call rating at 16,500. That is why market didn't close above 16,500, and our today it made a top of 16,492. So if there was if there is no huge resistance at this point, definitely market would have breached the 16,500 levels. But tomorrow, if there is an unwinding as the new contract opens, so definitely there can be a small unwinding, and the new resistance will be taken care by the new bears at 16,600 or 16,700. That is where our target is lying. 16,690 and 16,600 and 16,690. So let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, same way. This is the price action. So price action says today it was a good bullish candle, and there is a, as I have told, it is going to be a flat pattern. And let's see, like, we'll go to the smaller time frame and see whether our pattern got respected or not. Yeah. So yesterday I explained, I'll show yesterday's chart. So this was a chart. If you can see, have a look on the previous video and have a look on this. Yesterday's chart I have explained very clearly. Market is having a very good bouncing support at this level. That is why I plotted the support level yesterday, and I have plotted this flag pattern as well. So what happened today is market fell down. It made a gap down opening, and it took support at this level, which was given yesterday, and exactly market bounced to a massive level. So from 36,685, market bounced towards 35,149. So perfectly market has bounced as per our price action prediction. And what is going to be the expected level is the first target has been done. The first target was around 35,170. That has been done. Then second target is going to be 35,285, and the third target is 35,580 to 35,600. That will be the third target. So definitely that should be the target. If this flag is getting broken, then the target is going to be very huge. That will be the size of the fall, which is going to be 3,000 plus points. So we need to wait and watch. We'll be getting very good ample amount of opportunities once the flag is getting broken with good volume in futures. So we'll watch it very closely, and I'll give the calls accordingly. Please do take care of the trades and take care of the position sizing. So this kind of trades are going to be very confident trades. When the support hits, definitely we can go for trades, as I told yesterday. Similarly, these targets will be hit immediately if the bullish movement continues. If the support is getting broken, then that is where we will be able to see 34,000, 34,002. This is going to be 34,280, then 34,150 and 33,900 levels will be the upcoming supports. If this is getting broken, which is 34,700 levels are getting broken, these are going to be the targets. So let us have a look on the open interest of Bank Nifty as well. As Bank Nifty made a top of almost like 35,149. There was a huge open interest at 35,100. That is why market closed below this for today. And if you look at the market closely, 35,500 seems like a good resistance for now, for even tomorrow as well. So market can reverse at this level. If the resistance is getting unwinded, that is the call options are getting unwinded, then only we will be seeing good amount of rally continuing. So let us watch the market and take the trades. Stay cautious in the market. Yeah. So we'll see couple of trades or couple of strong fundamental stocks and their technicals. So the first stock is going to be Sun TV Network. So Sun TV Network looks really good at the current support, which is going to be almost like 15 years of support is lying at this level, which is going to be 400. Current market price is around 439, and with the stop loss of around 400 rupees, we can go for a good investment opportunity. And target is going to be minimum 20 to 25% for the next few months, and it is going to be a multi-bagger for next few years. In next few years, it can even breach the all-time high. So please be cautious, because it is available at attractive valuation, so it can go anywhere from here if the company performs really well. Okay, that is first investment stock. Let us have a look on the fundamentals. The stock P is just 10.06, which is very less when compared to the other peer companies, and book value is just 207 rupees. So we are just 1x above the book value, so we can run anywhere from here. And there are no much cons. There is the daily current sales growth is reduced for past 5 years. That is only one concern. Apart from that, it is a good dividend yielding company, then maintaining healthy dividend. These are going to be positive stuff. and sales it has reduced a bit for this quarter. And if you go to the yearly profit, we have really done well. So Sun TV has done really well when compared to March 21, and we have made a good profit. Only in quarterly it is less, but year on year it has delivered a good profit, and the expenses are looking decent. Operating profit is really good. Other incomes are stable. Then profit before net profit is going to be 1642, which is going to be 100 crores more than 115 crores more than the previous year. So EPS is also 41%, 41 rupees for earnings per share, which is really good. The balance sheet is really good. So balance sheet is not having any issues. They are maintaining a very healthy reserves of 7,958 crores. There is very less. When compared to their reserves, this 95 crores is really nothing. And other important factors like investments, they have done 3,559 crores. Assets, they have another 3,000 crores. The total assets is somewhere around close to 9,000 crores. And debtor days have really reduced a bit from 165 to 146. Shareholding pattern, if you look, promoters have been consistently having 75%, and most importantly FII have increased their stake in the stock, and DII have increased their stock in this company. So, and only the public has reduced their stocks, but DIIs and promoters and FIIs are stable, and they keep on increasing the stocks. So definitely this is going to be a very good pick fundamentally as well as technically. So plan your position sizing and enter the trade with the exact stop loss of 400 rupees in monthly. So that is going to be our first stock, and we'll go to the second stock, which is going to be ICIC Securities, which is available in the very decent valuation. The top was 894 and it made a low of almost like 408. It made almost like 50% fall, and that is slowly started moving up, and the price action is going to be, it got an insider candle in the weekly. If this insider candle is getting broken in the upside, which means like the candle high is 471, if we are closing above 471 in the weekly, then definitely this is going to be a good chance of to bag some 10 to 30% of profit, and it is extremely oversold. And this pattern is going to be called as a inverted cup and handle. We'll see how the inverted cup and handle will look. So this is called an inverted cup and handle. So if this is going to be an inverted cup and handle, so what can happen is definitely we'll be having a handle like this. So we'll be having a handle like this, which can be minimum 0.38%. So this is how an inverted cup and handle can look. So if this is going to be a cup and handle, so definitely the market will move towards at least 0.32%. We'll see where the 0.32% is coming around. So definitely market can do if market is going towards the 0.382, which is going to be 594. Right now we are at 462. It is having a potential of running around another 130 to 140 points in the next few weeks. So this is how market will definitely react, and our stop loss is very limited. It is going to be just this candle's low, which is this candle's low, which is 413 weekly. If this is getting closed below 430, we can just exit. But if it is closing above 471, the target is going to be 590 plus to 600 levels. So that is all for today's video, and we'll have a small look at our fundamentals of ICIC Securities as well. So if you look at the fundamentals of ICIC Security, definitely this is going to be a very good stock. The PE ratio is very attractive, which is 10, which is a very good place where we can go for an investment. The only cons is company might be capitalizing the interest cost. There is the only cons. Other than that, we have a very good pros on this company. So looking at the sales, it is not really bad when it is compared to quarterly, but in yearly it is really good. So yearly almost like 1,000 crores of profit has been increased from March 21 to March 22. So definitely the yearly profit has been increased a lot. Expenses, operating profit is really huge, almost like 600 to 700 crores of increase in the operating profit. Then net profit is around 1,383 crores. good dividend payment. Then balance sheet is really clean. Reserves are simply increasing, which is a very healthy thing. Borrowings is a one concern. Other than that, we are really literally good. The total liabilities is 13,600. So we will be getting some money from the liabilities. So they have assets are almost like somewhere around 13,430 crores. So cash flows are one more increasing negative stuff is this. Debtor days has been reduced from 65 to 41, which is one good thing. And promoters are continuously stable with their holdings, and FIIs has increased their stake, and DIIs have reduced the stake, and same way the public has reduced the stake. So one important thing is we'll be really not sure why the FIIs are increasing the stake, but when they are decreasing the stake from most of the stocks, but they are interested in this stock, noticeable thing. So let's look for the price action and trade accordingly. So I have given enough amount of information in this company, so let's trade accordingly and maintain with the stop loss. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe this channel and support it. Take care. Bye bye.